it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Cowin E7 Bluetooth headphones. Alright, so let's just get right into this. Alright, so our last headphone unboxing was the Betron headphones, I believe. You can click the card to check that out. But because I'm going on a flight soon, I wanted to get some noise canceling headphones as well as Bluetooth headphones, just because I like Bluetooth headphones a lot. I just think they're really helpful. So, alright, let's see. First reveal. Wow, that was anticlimactic. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, well first it comes with this cool bag, but I actually did buy a case for this as well, so that will be included in this later. But oh my gosh! Oh, you can also use these, in addition to using them as a Bluetooth headphone, you can use them as regular headphones. Installation. Step 1. Put on this headphone. Step 2. Adjust the length. Step 3. Okay, cool. I will look at this later. Does this need to be charged? I assume it does. Does it? Oh, duh. It's got a charging cord right here. Volume control. There's an on and off switch for the Bluetooth as well as the noise canceling, and there's a little jack where you can plug in this cord to your phone or your computer or whatever if you don't want to use the Bluetooth feature, and it comes with this nice bag. But I don't think this would provide enough protection. I mean, obviously it will provide some protection from like dust, but I did get a case, so let me go grab that, and then we'll see how that fits. Alright, so while I was grabbing the case, I put the headphones on, and they're actually super lightweight. Like, I hardly even know that they're there. When they're turning, they turn kind of slow, like as if this would need to be oiled or something. Like, listen to that. But I imagine they'll get a little looser over time, just with constant use. So I picked this case up actually at my local thrift shop. It came through literally the day after I ordered my headphones, so I figured it would fit. I just bought it because it was like super cheap. I think I got it for 50 cents. So let's see if this actually fits in here. Oh wait, yeah. I was gonna say no, but they're extended, so. Alright, case fits perfectly. That's actually really awesome. These cases aren't super expensive. I think they're like 10 bucks on Amazon, but I mean, it's nice to get it for 50 cents instead of 10 bucks. Then there are a couple of pouches right here. Let's see, hold on, where are my cords? Earbuds in there and whatever else, and ready for the flight. I will charge these headphones and test the Bluetooth capacity and also how music and podcasts and audiobooks sound, and then I will finish this review. Alright, I am back from my trip, and let me just say these headphones were awesome. I used them both there and back for about the 5-hour flight. I did charge it in between, but the battery life on these things is crazy. I think it said on the website they have a 30+ hour battery life. I used the headphones all day before my flight, during the flight, charged it one time once I reached my destination, then I used the headphones basically the entire trip when I wasn't visiting with family or anything, then on the returning flight. So I've used these headphones for basically a week and a half and only charged them once, and they are so awesome. The noise canceling quality is great. I hardly heard the airplane at all, and especially if you've got music going with the Bluetooth headphones, you don't hear anything. Overall, I would give these headphones a 10 out of 10. If you want to check these headphones out for yourself, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you use Bluetooth headphones and what brands you recommend. Personally, as of right now, I definitely recommend the Cowin brand. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye!